If you've been following the AI video space, you know it's exploding right now. Google just dropped Veo 3.1, OpenAI released Sora 2, and there are dozens of other tools promising to turn your text into stunning videos. But here's the problem nobody's talking about: the cost. These tools are incredibly expensive, and if you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who wants to experiment with AI video, you can burn through your budget faster than you can say text to video. Today I'm going to walk you through something different. Something that's not only more affordable, but actually gives you more control and better results. I'm talking about Abacus AI's DeepAgent. And no, this isn't just another AI tool review. I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use it, compare the actual costs, and prove why this might be the smartest way to create AI videos in 2026. Let's talk numbers first, because this is where things get really interesting. If you're using Google Veo 3.1, you're looking at around $0.2 to $0.4 per second of video. Want to extend that to 8 seconds? Multiply it. Need a full minute? You're easily spending $12 to $24 per video. And that's assuming everything goes perfectly on the first try. Sora 2 from OpenAI? Similar story. You're paying premium prices for what is admittedly stunning quality, but the cost adds up so fast that most creators can only afford to make a handful of videos before they need to top up their credits. Now here's where DeepAgent flips the script. With DeepAgent, you can create longer, more complex videos with significantly fewer credits. We're talking about creating 30 to 60-second videos that would cost you over $20 elsewhere. But with DeepAgent, you're spending a fraction of that. How? Because DeepAgent isn't just a video generator. It's an intelligent agent that optimizes the entire creation process. Alright, enough theory. Let me show you exactly how to create a viral AI video using DeepAgent. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, and trust me, it's way easier than you think. First, you need to be on the Abacus AI Chat LLM Teams platform. Just grab the link and create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface. To access DeepAgent, look for the option in your toolbar or menu. Click on DeepAgent, and you're ready to go. This is the DeepAgent interface. Not only video, but you can also create SaaS, apps, PPT, AI workflow, code, and many more. However, today, I am going to talk only about the video generation feature. So I am selecting the video option. Okay, now we have to enter the video idea. Let's say I want to create a video about co-working space benefits. I would start by telling DeepAgent something like, I want to create a 45-second video about the benefits of working in a co-work space. Use a consistent avatar to narrate the full video. Create the video in a 3D animation style. The tone should be exciting and optimistic, with dynamic visuals and smooth transitions. DeepAgent will understand this and can even ask clarifying questions or make suggestions. You just have to answer some questions. I have to tell the aspect ratio, video quality, and the motion. Once all is set, hit the send button. Now the AI agent will connect to the server and start planning the video. And here it is. The video plan is ready. Now, you can review the plan. If you find anything wrong, you can ask DeepAgent to customize it. I found the concept is pretty good, so I will just continue, and you can see that the AI is now working, and it is creating the character image. As I asked for a 3D animated video, it's making the 3D animated character. That's amazing! Now it will start creating scene images and then turn them into video clips. Once all the video clips are ready, the agent will generate the voiceover and music. After that, the DeepAgent will assemble all of them to create the final video. And here it is, the final video is ready. Now, you can save the video and share it anywhere. This is my video.
Ready to revolutionize your work life? Welcome to the future of productivity. Co-working spaces aren't just offices. They're innovation hubs where creativity meets opportunity. Network with like-minded professionals, collaborate on game-changing projects, and enjoy the flexibility to work your way. Say goodbye to expensive leases and hello to cost-effective solutions. From high-speed...
This is amazing. So now we can create this kind of high-quality video from the idea. And how much it costs to create the video, DeepAgent used 1,331 credits, and the planning used only 116 credits. So, the total cost is 1,447 credits to make the video. You will get 20,000 credits from a $10 subscription. That means you can create up to 13 videos with $10, while other platforms charge $15 to $20 per video. So, it's the real deal. And the best part, you can create any kind of videos, even with lip sync.
Tired of working from home? Discover the game-changing benefits of co-working spaces.
Now, let's create another video. This time, I will create a viral house transformation video. I am entering the video idea, and then hitting the send button. In the next step, we have to answer all the questions and then hit the send button. Like before, now DeepAgent will plan the video. You just have to review them and customize if needed. Once done, proceed with the video generation. And here it is. The video is ready.
Watch this incredible floor transformation. Starting with a bare subfloor, workers lay smooth gray river stones across the entire space. Next, beautiful wood slices are arranged to create a stunning natural pattern. Then comes the magic. Clear epoxy resin is poured over everything, filling every gap and creating a solid surface.
This is really amazing. So now you can create this kind of amazing video with a single prompt, while other tools need serious expertise and huge cost. So now using DeepAgent AI, you can create any kind of videos within a minute with the lowest cost. Beyond just the cost savings, there are other huge advantages to using DeepAgent. Longer videos. While most AI video generators cap you at 10 seconds or charge exponentially more for longer content, DeepAgent can handle 60+ second videos without breaking the bank. Better control. The conversational interface means you have much more control over the final output. You're not just gambling with prompts. Integration capabilities. DeepAgent can connect with other services and tools, meaning you can automate parts of your workflow or pull in external data. Learning curve. Because you can actually talk to DeepAgent and get feedback, the learning curve is much gentler than other platforms where you're just guessing at the right prompt syntax. Consistency. Once you figure out what works, you can replicate that success across multiple videos, maintaining brand consistency and quality. Okay, I've shown you exactly how to use it, step by step. I've broken down the real costs, and I've given you tips to make your videos actually perform well. Now it's your turn. If you're on Abacus AI's Chat LLM Teams platform, go try DeepAgent right now. The link will be in the description. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials and comparisons, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're planning to create. I'd love to hear about your experience with DeepAgent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.